Hi, I am Aditya Garg. I scored 99.92 percentile in CAT 2021 and I have converted IIM Bangalore. I was a life class student with StudyBUZZ and I want to share my preparation strategy. So based on my experience with CAT, I think the most important strategy is to learn from your own mistakes and keep improving them. So this is where the mocks come in. I think that we should start giving mocks from day one of our preparation. So you might score low or you might score high, which does not really matter in the end. What matters is the process. So आप mock देते हो, आप उसका analysis करते हो and you figure out what concepts are still remaining to be learned and you go through those concepts. So this is a kind of a cyclic process, and if you keep repeating it again and again, starting from day one till the day you give CAT, so this will benefit you a lot and also improve your marks. So yeah, mocks are the major key strategy that we should follow. Now coming to the sectional preparation, the first section is VARC. So the general trend is to read more and more articles, and the general advice is to read more and more articles of different types and different genres to build our VARC skills. But I did not really have that much time due to my job. So what I did was I set up a timer and took up 3 or 4 RCs and solved them in the given time. Then while analyzing, I focused on my mistakes and tried to figure out how to improve them in the next attempt. So initially I used to get very low marks in my RCs. बट धीरे धीरे समझ आने लग गया है कि कैसे आरसीज को अप्रोच करना है और किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं गिवन आरसी में से. तो अगर ये प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे तो इट विल इम्प्रूव योर मार्क्स एंड इम्प्रूव योर एक्यूरेसी, विच इज द की इन VARC सेक्शन स्पेशली. And coming to verbal ability, I think it was the easier part in this first section because there are not many types of questions in this. The types of questions are very few. So you can practice more and more number of questions under those given types and improve your accuracy. So the next section is Lrdi. For me, this was my strongest section. And I think the key in Lrdi is again practice and practice. So we should know what types of sets are asked in CAT, and there is a fixed number of types, so we should go through all those types and build our basic concepts related to those. So initially जब हम Lrdi के set solve करने बैठते हैं तो टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है हमें सेट सॉल्व करने में, which is completely fine. Once we keep on building our concepts and get more clarity on the types of sets that are asked, we will improve on that, and I think 40 minutes are enough to solve good amount of Lrdi sets. So coming to the quant section, this is the only section where I think a bit of preparation is required before you start giving the mocks, because some kind of a conceptual clarity and some formulae are required to solve this section. So yeah, just do a basic concept clarity and learn about the concepts before you dive into the mocks. And when you're giving the mocks and analyzing them, just make sure to make a list of your weak topics so that you can know that what to focus on. Also, since in CAT accuracy is more important than number of attempts, you might get away with not preparing for the difficult concepts in this particular section. But one advice that I will give is learn the basics of all the concepts, क्योंकि पता नहीं चलता कि कब कौन से concept से एक easy question आ जाए, and अगर आपको basics नहीं पता, you might miss on an opportunity to get easy marks. Yeah, so this was my sectional strategy, and yeah, it is a very personal strategy, so everyone can design this strategy based on how you are performing in the mocks and what section needs more time, what section needs less time. So it is a very personal thing. All in all, I think CAT is a game of consistency. So if you set up achievable targets regularly and beat them and do it consistently, I think the process is quite simple. So coming to the last part, I think revision is a very important part in the CAT preparation. So I kept aside 1 whole month before my exam for revision. This is where I followed the courses given by StudyBUZZ, and the revision planner was actually really good. So we sat every night for 3 hours and solved questions in a given time. So we analyzed them, and they were different levels of difficulty for these questions as well. तो अगर आप ये रोज क्वेश्चंस करते रहोगे तो आपका एक माइंडसेट बन जाता है एग्जाम के लिए, एंड ऑल्सो यू गेन अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस वंस यू स्टार्ट इम्प्रूविंग ऑन योर मार्क्स. So when you go into the exam with this mindset and the sense of confidence, scoring will actually be easier. So yeah, that's all advice from my side. Thank you. All the best.